Since we last updated our rewards on our Algorand wallet on our iPhone 12 Pro Max, we have received 0.84 Algorand, and that value increases every 9 minutes. I really like having the Algorand official iPhone wallet on my phone, and I send everything over here, and I add multiple layers of work, I guess is the best way to put it, if I wanted to touch my crypto. And if I'm saving and I'm holding, one thing I want is more layers to prevent myself from rapidly on the fly being able to sell it off. So today, probably in not the greatest of detail, but in the way that I present stuff, we're going to go over algorithm. You guys voted last 2 weeks ago in the giveaway for 500 Tron. The number one vote went to CSE. The number two went to Algorand, so I felt it was due time. And we're going to branch out a little bit into the cryptocurrency atmosphere. Nerdy dude stuff. For today's video, I invite you guys to hit that subscribe button. 70% of the people watching my videos aren't subscribers, so it'd be amazing if you can hit that subscribe button. We are pushing ourselves to 5,000 subscribers before the end of 2020. I think we can do it. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. That way you can also stay up to date and be notified when new videos and content come out. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, all that good stuff. I'm O'Price of Nerdy Dude, and today we are going to be talking about Algorand. Recently, I have gotten into Algorand, and I have actually had a very pleasant experience. I really am enjoying the mobile wallet on our iPhone. We are able to stake the token over there. We'll get to that in just a moment. And we're able to earn rewards and pretty much compound daily. We currently have 1.4 thousand Algorand. That's worth about $372 at this current moment. Pulling everything up here on my phone as I'm looking as we go. So I know right now Bitcoin is going parabolic and it's going through the roof, and I know that's the hot topic of the day, but I'm not one of those YouTubers that really looks at I look at Bitcoin every single day, but I'm not one of those YouTubers that's going to turn around and be like, oh, 350,000, 400,000 Bitcoin, 200,000 Bitcoin, 100,000 Bitcoin, here we go. I might do one of those videos and make it all like clickbaity to get people to watch it, but I like a little bit of the other currencies as well. I like to have a little bit of a passive income. I diversify my portfolio. I grow from there. So today we're going to be looking at Algorand. We're going to go over the coin market cap. We're going to go over the volume. We're going to go over the supply, yada, blah, blah, blah. And then we're going to take a little bit of a deep dive on the website and talk about the mobile wallet. So with that said, let's get right into it. Algorand is sitting currently at 26 cents. It's down 4% from yesterday. Yesterday we were looking at like a 29 to 30 cent Algorand. I believe when Mind of Tron was doing his video, it was cresting at about 29 cents. And it's kind of been fluctuating there. I've seen a little bit lower when I picked up a bunch, and then we're in the profit on this currency that's currently in our wallet. Its current market cap is 296 million, which is roughly almost 17 Bitcoin worth, and it's got a 24-hour volume of 68 million, which is pretty solid. Total circulating supply right now is 1.138 billion out of a max total supply of 10 billion. So there's a hefty amount of this coin. It's not one of those coins that I'm really going to see it maybe jump up to like $5 to $10, just because usually when I see those larger total supplies, I kind of feel I go back into some supply and demand like statistics, and I think the supply is monstrous and the demand won't be nearly as big as something like Ethereum, Litecoin, those tokens that will see those bigger, $50, $60, $70, $80, $400, $1,000 coins. Looking at the charts here, looks like this coin came into existence around July of 2019. It's seen all-time highs recently, actually, about 2 months ago, of about 67 cents a pop, which is pretty significant, pretty solid, but I'd like to see it get back to there. Let's go and take a look at what it's been for the past week here on the chart. I know Mind of Tron's getting heavily into charting. I'm not really much of a charting or technical analysis guy, but pretty swingy chart, really. I mean, this is definitely a currency that if my crypto hopper was taking a stab at, this would be something that I would have no problem doing some day trades and some swing trades, and not really much needed into the DCA settings or anything along those lines, just because it looks like it recovers and bounces pretty healthy. Very, very, very solid. Market pairs, it's pretty much listed on most of the major exchanges out there. You've got BitMax, Crypto.com, so if you've got one of your Crypto.com cards, and if you haven't signed up for that already, there's going to be a link in the description below to sign up for that. I did sign up under Mind of Tron. I got $25 for it. He got $25 for it. Now I just have to get my 2,500 CRO. So if you guys want to jump on board as well, I believe there's like a $50 promotion going on right now that you can claim once you put your 2,500 CRO in there, but you at least get $25 as well. Binance, Bitfinex, KuCoin, all these other exchanges have it. With the exception of my mobile wallet, actually holding on Crypto.com, I'd have to see what their reward rates are, is not a bad option to go with. We'll look at the website here in just a moment as well, but it's a pretty healthy listed coin with lots of activity on all of these exchanges. Even if you're an arbitrage kind of trader and you want to look at like Binance and then KuCoin and trade it around like there, looks like there's some opportunity for that as well. Let's see the difference actually with that example. KuCoin 2614, Binance 2613. So not much at the moment, but you're looking at all these other currency or these other exchanges where you could make some arbitrage trades there if you're savvy enough, I should say, with that method. Anyway, let's dive a little bit more into Algorand. I'm just going to read it right off the screen. We're going to look at the website and talk about the mobile app. I don't have any pictures of mine at the moment, but I will pull up the pictures on the website and kind of talk about my experience with it. Algorand today, we already went through blah, 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 blah. What is Algorand? In a nutshell, on CoinMarketCap, you can find this as well. Algorand is a scalable, secure, and decentralized digital currency and transactions platform. Founded by Turing Award winner MIT professor Silvio Macaulay, Algorand is a permissionless, pure proof of stake blockchain protocol. Proof of stake in a nutshell, what that means is if you hold some of the token in one of the wallets and that wallet supports proof of stake, just like the iPhone Algorand wallet, then you will be supporting the blockchain. And as you support the blockchain, you will reap the rewards of those tokens and those blocks as they're discovered. You don't need any fancy mining hardware. You don't need a fancy phone to do it. You just need an iPhone or an Android phone. Doesn't matter what model, make, year, mileage, anything like that. As long as you're holding coin, you can absolutely do it. You can also do it with paper wallets and those wallets as well. Algorand's technology finalizes blocks in seconds and it provides immediate transaction finality while preventing forks. Algorand does also not reward validators with newly minted tokens. So that means that people that are holding the token, they're not getting brand new ones that are created. They're just getting rewards from it. And it is very, very fast. I mean, the longest I've seen the reward payouts is 9 minutes. So if you have a healthy stack of Algorand, 9 minutes is quick. And that's one thing that really attracted me to it. With a primary focus on developers and their needs, Algorand's node repository has been open sourced and is publicly available. Algorand provides a robust set of developer tools, dApp analytics through a partnership with Flipside Crypto, and has a number of partners building on their blockchain, including OTOY, SyncSort, Top Networks, Asset Block, and more. We've talked about the maximum supply. It came actually to life in June of 2019, not July. Consensus mechanism, permissionless, and it's a pure proof of stake. Fixed supply with pre-minted awards. Blockchain sub 5 seconds. Pretty healthy there. The Algorand block and the transaction fees very similar. Or the transaction fees. The transaction time. It's as fast as Tron. I mean, I've converted a lot of coin and crypto on Coinbase into Algorand, and I've sent it from Coinbase to my Algorand wallet, and it's boom. Before I even pull up my phone and the facial recognition unlocks the phone, the Algorand is there. So the transaction speed is outstanding. The Algorand blockchain network has its own official native cryptocurrency called Algo. So, you've heard me say that. To drive the borderless economy and the system of incentives, the foundation holds Algos to contribute to the stability of the Algorand blockchain, to incentivize network participation and to support the Algorand community, ecosystem building, and research. The Algos enter the ecosystem via various channels, including development and research grants, participation rewards, and sales. All such activities are disclosed with full transparency to the Algorand community. Algorand technology. Algorand utilizes a pure proof of stake where validators are not rewarded, nor are they at risk of being slashed. It becomes impossible for the minority to cheat and irrational for the majority to cheat the system, as it would devalue their holdings. There's also no locking of tokens, so a user has their tokens available at all times. Blocks are created in 2 phases where a single token is selected randomly and its owner proposes the next block. Subsequently, 1,000 random tokens are selected with their owners, then approving the block proposed by the user the first user. So really the reward system has a little bit of a random to it. So you are staking, it's pure proof of stake, but just because you're the biggest kid in the sandbox doesn't mean that the little guy that just joined the party doesn't have a fair fighting chance to get these rewards as well. And like I said, it's usually around 9 minutes. So if you have like 10 algo, you have just the same shot I do as earning rewards for staking, and you probably see those returns every 9 minutes. So it's very lickety split. I really, really like that a lot. And like that's what I was talking about yesterday on my stream. The minority has just a fair shot as the majority, and that's why I really, really, really like the token. These phases are ensured by the core protocol called Binary Byzantine Agreement, or the Byzantine Agreement star, encompassing the following advancements: cryptographic sortion to prevent an adversary. You know what? I'm distracted. Hang on one second. If you guys haven't done this yet and you go over to Coinbase, you actually can earn yourself $6 in Algorand. I will post that link in the description as well, and you can go down here. And this is what actually got me into it. Once I went through these videos, yeah, you can earn yourself $6 worth of Algorand instantaneously. All you have to do is watch these videos. They're 3 minutes a piece. They're really, really, really simple. The questions are very easy, and you can answer the questions even like after you start the video. You pretty much are going to know the answer to the question. I don't think it's going to show me here. It's going to be what is Algorand, and then it's going to give you A, B, C, or D. And then obviously the most intelligent, smarter question is going to be the one that, or the answer is going to be the answer. So you can earn yourself $6 worth of Algorand just by clicking on the link and signing up. It takes probably about 30 minutes. It'll say, you're on the waiting list, but about 30 minutes later, you'll get the invite to get yourself your $6. Let's jump over here to their platform. Algorand.com. Lots of mumbo jumbo. I'm not going to bore you with the reading. It's a very smooth, well-built site, very informative, lots of information. Let's just take a look at like a couple of the things. I'm not going to go through everything like crazy, but we're just going to look at a couple of things here. Algorand protocol. The technology removes the technical barriers that the years undermined mainstream blockchain adoption, decentralized scale, and security. Now you can build on a stable platform you trust. Our consensus mechanism is permissionless and pure proof of stake. It ensures full participation, protection, and speed within a truly decentralized network. The blocks finalized in seconds. Algorand's transaction throughput is on par with large payment and financial networks. In a nutshell, this is a financial system. This is a financial setup. This channel is not financial advice or anything along those lines, but Algorand, I think it even says right here at the top of their technology that enables frictionless finance. So that's what it is in a nutshell. Use cases. Algorand has a diverse global group of partnerships representing the technology, venture capital, cryptocurrency, and financial service community. Here's all of the filter use cases by all that stuff. Gaming, DeFi, infrastructure, banking, securities, commercial, supply chain identity, blah, blah, blah. And these are a lot of their partners: Circle, IDEX, Republic, Tether, Arcax, Meld Gold, Marshall's Island, Staker DAO, Verify, lots and lots and lots of partnerships. Very, very, very healthy program, platform, project, whatever you want to look at it to get yourself behind. You don't have to if you don't want. I mean, I enjoy it, and I enjoy what's going on, who we are. You can look at the team. You can look at the founder. It's this guy right here. Work with us, careers, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Get in touch, yada, yada, yada. What we do. Let's go to the Algorand wallet. This is the key. This is where I'm going to kind of be more of my natural flow. The Algorand wallet is an easy-to-use mobile app, very easy, with a new design that includes key features, full integration of Algorand standard assets, and best-in-class security with Nano Ledger integration. So for that last sentence, if you have one of those Ledger Nano wallets, you can pair it together so you have that extra layer of security. Pretty much, if you're in the crypto space, security is one of the number one things you need to focus on and take very, very seriously. But here's some screenshots of the app. Again, it's available on the App Store for Apple, and it's available on Google Play. With a focus on user-friendliness and clean design, the wallet also includes a comprehensive view allowing users to see their holdings without toggling between accounts. Very, very true. This is what the screen looks like. I don't know if it's enough resolution for you on the computer, but looking at the phone, it's super simple. Let's see if we can get it. I mean, there's my balance, and then just here's all my transactions here. Right here, you're not going to see it as well, but right here is the update on my reward. There you go. Right there's the update on my reward. So you see that I've got 0.84 rewards ready to go. Almost have 1 Algorand. And then it's easy. Your send and receive buttons down here, right there. You've got your copy your wallet address up here in the top corner. There's the QR code. You're probably not going to be able to scan it, but if you want to tip some Algorand, there you go. Scan now. If you guys want to tip me any Algorand, you can go that way as well. But overall, the app is very seamless. It's very smooth. The only negative I'd probably say to Algorand, with the exception of they stated that you don't have to have your assets frozen for any amount of time. So if I wanted to withdraw this right now, I absolutely could. Like I said, I have many layers to not do that with this token because I don't want to just cash this out. This is a long-term hold for me, long-term stake. We're just going to keep piling it in there. So maybe one day we can look at getting $250 worth of Algorand a day, just because we've staked it so much. Like the Algorand I'm holding is never going anywhere. When I get my basic attention token, bought my PlayStation 5, bought my new gaming monitor, bought my new PlayStation 5 headset, you know, all that stuff there, the lighting back there, spent it all on basic attention token. A little bit of KuCoin shares, all that stuff. Algorand is a long-term hold. I mean, if it gets to a point where I'm making $250 a day from the proof of stake, then that's a sustainable income, but that is extremely long term. Other than that, you can have the opportunity to compound your rewards. So every 9 minutes you can compound your rewards instead of like KuCoin where you get a payout every 24 hours, or like Tezos, or if you're holding any tokens on Coinbase where Tezos needs 30 days before you get your first reward payout, and then you get your reward payout every 3 days after that. KuCoin every 24 hours, Binance every month. So if you're doing proof of staking that way, it's not true, genuine proof of staking, but I appreciate what they do with coins like Tezos, because if I wanted to be a Tezos baker, I would need 8,000 Tezos and be the only one. So at least on Coinbase, I could put my Tezos there until I get to 8,000, but I can't compound. With Algorand, if you're getting one Algorand every reward cycle, you can compound that for the next reward cycle. And all you have to do is do a transaction to yourself for zero. You're only going to pay an Algorand fee of 0.0001. So if you've got 1.1 Algorand in your rewards, you're still going to get 1.1 Algorand as your reward payout, and you can compound that on the next wave. Now, there is a lot more technical mumbo. You can have multiple wallets set up here as well. I just have one main wallet, and it's just, I went back on a screen on it. Turn on post notifications for it. Everything pops up pretty quick. Contacts. It's very, very seamless. It's very, very similar to like Tron Link, in my opinion, just with less clutter and less shitcoins on there. You can set up accounts, and you could set up contacts and just like transfer algo like that. Really, really solid crypto. I mean, I could look a little bit more into the market and see the build on what the price point might fluctuate to, but I see this being a better hold for that proof of stake feature, whereas someone with $10, heck, someone with $6 of Algorand can start earning rewards immediately. When I did the $6 in Algorand, it took maybe a week to get like half an Algorand. You can just kind of go from there, and then you can keep staking. It's very, very simple platform. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. If you guys want to collect your $6 of Algorand, link is for Coinbase in the description. If you're already a part of Coinbase, then go up to the Coinbase, log into your Coinbase, go to the very top, and you see earn rewards here, and you'll be able to go and watch 3 quick videos to earn yourself $6 of Algorand. That's going to do it for me today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, please take a moment, hit the like button. It really helps out on the channel. I know it doesn't seem like much, but there's a reason why us YouTubers beg for it. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. All the links that you guys could possibly need are going to be in the description below. If you like Algorand, leave a comment about it. If you don't like it, tell me about some reasons why you don't like it. If you're more familiar with Algorand than I am, which isn't hard to do, tell me some of your favorite things about it as well. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications, like, comment, subscribe. You can always reach out to me on Twitter, Discord, Telegram, all that good stuff. I'm going to head on out. We're going to play some PlayStation 5, so please definitely check out our Twitch channel. Link for that is in the description as well. We're trying to get to Path to Affiliate. We need a 3 average viewers per stream. So if you guys can pop over there, hang out for 20 minutes, talk about stuff with us. We talk about crypto. We play with Mind of Tron. I mean, help a brother out. I appreciate it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Holidays are right around the corner, so make sure you be safe. And if you want to spend time with everyone, I mean, I'm seeing my family, but I know that everyone's worried about COVID going on. Don't let that ruin the holidays. Love one another. I'm Oprius. We'll see you guys next time.